I hope you're having a great day. So today we're opening up the Ipsy Plus for February. I'm kind of not feeling great today, so I'm hoping this perks me up. Sometimes when I open a good box, it just totally changes my mindset. And I'm really hoping that it is better than the Ipsy Ultimate. So I opened the Ipsy Ultimate a couple days ago and I wasn't that impressed. Honestly, I don't know if I've ever been like super impressed by Ipsy Ultimate, but Ipsy Plus can be really good. So there's gonna be 5 full-size items in here for $25. I do know one of the items because you're able to customize it, and I'm really excited about that item, so that's so far so good. I will link Ipsy down below, and I also have a few giveaways going on. I will link down below too if you have not yet entered. Archer just jumped up and is about to eat a plant. One sec. Archer, telling me you're being a bad boy? Or are you being naughty? You're a good boy. No, you're so good. You're so good. He's the only cat that would let me just hold him like that. Here, go on the table. But anyways, what was I saying? I'm gonna link Ipsy down below if you are not yet subscribed. Yeah, let's get this box open. I feel like I'm already in a better mood. Cats and boxes, yes. So when you open up the box, it says discover yourself, and there's like the protective foam stuff, and then there is everything inside. So in my Ipsy Ultimate, it didn't list the items inside. Let's see if it does this time. Nope. So weird, it doesn't again. It just says the same exact thing as my last one, so yeah, I don't have the pricing information or anything like that. I could find the pricing information on my app. So Ipsy, you can like download an app on your phone or you can go on your computer. So the first thing I see, this caught my eye, like what is this? The Roos. It's like sealed, it looks kind of cool. And on the back it says vegan, cruelty-free, hypoallergenic, and synthetic. I have a feeling this is brushes. Oh yeah, I recently did a brush clean. I cleaned all of my brushes. Am I opening this wrong? Shoot. And I have way too many brushes, but I always get excited to get more. I think it's so cool, this envelope it comes in. It's like a pretty color, but yep. So we have 5 brushes here by Larousse, L-A-R-U-C-E, Larousse. Yeah, so it looks like, so this one is an angled contour brush. Then we have the flat foundation brush. Oh, I'm excited to try that out. Here, let's take it out. Oh, they feel nice and soft. Yeah. This kind of looks like my like Sigma brush I like for foundation, so I'll definitely try this out. It looks like there's like, no, I actually thought it was shedding, but it's just like a hair sticking out weird. And then it looks like we have 3 eye brushes as well. We have one that says Kabuki, Shadow, and Tapered Blending. So I'm always excited to try new brushes, and this is a brand I've never even heard of before, and it seriously feels so soft, so I will definitely use these. Next up, let's talk about the item I chose. I chose a foundation item. So this is actually in a shade too dark for me, I think, but I'm hoping like I'll be more active in the upcoming year and go outside in Florida and get some sun. But I love this foundation. I wore it today actually, or I have it on today. But like I said, I'm not feeling the best, so I wouldn't really judge my appearance today. Or please don't judge my appearance. But this is the Wander Beauty Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation in Light. I usually wear Light Fair. So yeah, I'm kind of excited to get it in a different color. Like when they gave the customization, they didn't like offer different shades, so I might have to go into my profile and adjust it if this is like way too dark when I try it. But I'm hoping I'll get a little bit more sun in the upcoming future, just based on where I'm living. And it's already February, time's flying, soon it'll be warm, and it was like, I think it's like 80 degrees here today or something. I don't even know. I haven't left my house today, not gonna lie. But yeah, I'm really excited to get this foundation. I love it. I think I've raved about it a couple of times on our channel before, so awesome. Ooh, I'm excited about this. We have the Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. It's called like Sweater Weather or something like that. Yeah, I don't see it on here, but yeah, Sweater Weather. So I've tried a couple of her palettes. I got one in BoxyCharm in the past, the like, God, my mind's not sharp today. I can't, like Celestial Thunder, I think it was called, and that was like kind of bright. And then I got the Latte 2 palette and the Trend Mood box, and I really like that. And then this one, so it's cute, like it actually looks like a sweater, kind of like the pink sweater I'm wearing today. And then on the inside, there's like a tiny mirror, and then there are 6 shadows, and they are all matte. And I think these are really pretty. I'm excited to get this. Yay, I'm glad I opened this box. I'm feeling a little better. I've been like loving pink shadows lately, so Sweater Weather, Fuzzy, Toasty, Cuddle, Chill, and Messy Bun are the shade names. I'm really into pinks lately, so here are 2 of the pinks. And I haven't played around, well, they're swatching very lightly, like they're not like super highly pigmented, but that doesn't always mean it's a bad thing. Maybe they'll be buildable. I'll have to use this in an upcoming video. I'll probably use this when I do my makeup tomorrow, actually. If I do my makeup, I'm hoping I wake up feeling good tomorrow. But yeah, I'm excited to get this and play around with it some more. But yeah, those are some pretty weak swatches. But again, using them on the eye is the best way to tell how they work. So next up, we have something by Dr. Botanicals. It says PO, so Pomegranate Superfood Regenerating Sleeping Mask. I don't think I've ever even heard of this one. I haven't watched too many unboxings yet, but I didn't even know like these things were going to be in here. I'm like stoked. Okay, let's see. So I've tried Dr. Botanicals. I used up like 2 of their oils before. I've never used anything else besides their like facial oil, which I loved. So this is pretty small, but it's supposed to be a full-size item. So how do you use it? You just put on, it says use 2 to 3 times per week. Okay, that makes it a little better that it's small. Apply a thin layer onto clean, dry skin in the evening. Allow the mask to sink to the skin and leave on overnight. So what is this supposed to do exactly? Well, it says our products are fresh. Please use within 3 months after opening. Okay, that also makes sense with the size, and I don't mind that. That means they don't use any like preservatives and stuff like that that can be potentially harmful for your skin. So this is supposed to be high in antioxidants and aims to smooth and brighten the skin. Cool, I'll try this out tonight. Let's see. There is a safety seal. I just want to feel a little bit of it. I don't know. And like smell it. So it's white. If you can even see that. Feels like. It smells good. It has like a very light scent. I always do that. I go to smell something and I like go too far in and get it on my nose. But yeah, I'll definitely use this. And then we have one more item and then the bag for the month. Let me zoom this in. Get a little mask on my hand. We have something by Il Makiage. This is an ink liner. So eyeliners are kind of just like blah. We get so many in boxes. So I'm not going to open this right now since I have so many open. But I do like Il Makiage. I've gotten some things from them before. Like the mascara I think I liked. So this is like is a felt tip liner, I'm guessing. Doesn't say, but it's ink liner in black. So I'm not sure if I will keep this or put that in a giveaway. Did I mention? I think I did in the beginning that there's some giveaways going on. I'm gonna link below. And the bag for the month is this. It's cute. I really liked the Ipsy Ultimate bag. It was like felt like velvet, and it was the same colors, like maroon and pink. So the bag is cute. So yeah, this was definitely a good box, I think. I mean, the one thing I'm not excited about really is like the liner, but I got one of my favorite foundations in a darker shade, which I could either mix to get it lighter, or hopefully I'll get a tan one of these days. I'm really excited that we got a Dominique Cosmetics palette. And brushes are always exciting, even though I feel like I have too many and I need to do a brush declutter. Like, I wonder if I can like donate brushes or give them to one of you guys if you guys aren't grossed out by it. I don't know. But I'm definitely excited to try these out because they feel really soft, and I will definitely try out the sleeping mask. Like I said, I've tried Dr. Botanicals in the past and I really like them. I wish there was some information here, but I feel like I definitely got my money's worth. I'm pretty sure this foundation alone is more than what I paid for the box. So yeah, this video, filming this, opening this, made me feel a little bit better. So thank you guys all so much for being here and unboxing with me. Let me know your thoughts down below. Do you guys get Ipsy Plus or any of the Ipsy bags? I know a lot of people have been a little upset, especially about the Ultimate, but yeah, let me know your thoughts. Are we twins? Yeah. I'll stop rambling. I love you guys so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.